Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Toyota Prius Bluetooth. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and ready to pair. On your Prius's infotainment system, navigate to the Setup menu. From there, select Bluetooth and then choose Add New Device. This prepares your car to search for your phone. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to get started. Once your Prius starts searching, your phone's name should appear on the car's display. Select your phone from the list. Both your phone and the car will then show a pairing code. Confirm that these codes match on both devices. After confirming, your phone will ask if you want to allow access to contacts and messages. Granting this access enables hands-free calling and text message display, enhancing your driving experience. Sometimes, you might encounter minor connection issues. A simple restart of both your phone and the Prius's infotainment system often resolves these. If problems persist, try deleting any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car's memory. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as this can improve compatibility. These steps usually fix most common pairing difficulties quickly and efficiently. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through your Prius's speakers. You can also manage multiple paired devices, which is handy if different drivers use the car or if you have more than one phone. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.